Just had my lunch here in the bar, which is actually literally on the bottom of my new apartment, which I moved recently. And in next few days, Winnie is coming to join me finally in Poland, as so many of you asking. So I'm going to finalize few things, and also I'm going to the old town right now using the tram, because I didn't use the tram since I used only trams once during the Christmas just to make a video. And I know as Winnie probably gonna using the trams if she wanna go somewhere. Also I wanna show you restaurant, and also of course my new apartment in next upcoming weeks. The lunch, what you seen, cost me around $8 US, which is not so bad in my opinion. And what was the pork chop lion with potato and salad and everything, which is really good deal. If you eat something like this one in the comfort bar, because that was the comfort bar, you will be full for the rest of the day easily. I'm living in Jeżyce actually. There is the Jeżyce Square just behind the corner I'm showing you. There's also nice looking church. That's why the street name is the Church Street. Well, if you translate, and the tram station is just behind the corner. It's just literally 2 minutes walk somewhere. Some trams are coming. It's actually the beginning of the rush hours. Kościelna, which is the church street, old architecture, and just behind the corner is the Jeżycki Bazaar actually, which is where every morning you can buy fresh fruit and veg if you want, or after that you can buy still some clothes, some flowers. This market is open like all day long. So that's how does it look like. This is like a consideration still of the old town kinda. Well, it's not really, but it's like a central Posnan. And just behind all of this building is Mercure Hotel and the Sheraton. And after that there is the Grand Station, railway station, and then you will have an old market square. This is where I'm heading actually, and looking for the tram. This is the station if you're going opposite direction, so I think I have to go more into that direction. Meanwhile, that's how does it look like. It's 3 p.m. recently. Also Easter is coming, a lot of spring flowers everywhere, some clothes, the bazaar. This tram is coming. If I gonna go back home, this is how it look like. This is very old building, by the way. You can buy slippers, for example, if you want. I think I will catch my tram from there. Overall, very peaceful, nice day today. Just got my ticket, 4 złotych for 50-minute ride, and you can buy also different ones. I bought from this machine. You can still pay by cash or card. In the tram you can using the card, and also you can buy the ticket. And this is the station, and I think my tram is coming, number 8. This is actually, I think so, which one I'm going, 8 or 18. Actually maybe 18, not 8. Actually only 2 trams going, 8 and 18 from this station, so it's easy, and both going actually into direction of the old town.
I dalej jest warto. Takie przeczucie, że nie będzie miała tego śladu.
Alright, and that was pretty cool short ride by the tram or bimba, because in Poznan the local slang is bimba. Either way, the tram, which is no metro here. Metro is in Warsaw. We don't have a metro in Posnan, but we have a trams, which is actually even cooler. I'm going to Stary Browar right now. It's already red. Let's go, let's go, let's go. In general, as you can see, the city vibe, even in rush hours, there is not that much traffic. There is a little bit, but not that much. Nothing to compare to Balilon. And I'm going to Stary Browar Mall. I need to do something over there. I will make a quick shot over there in this building, and then just behind this one is the walking street. It's called Spółwiejska, and then you can go to Old Market Square. Just so easy to navigate over here. I mean, Stary Browar, there are bunnies here, but it was different previously. But the Easter is coming in next 2 weeks, and yeah, the mall is always cool. Been filming here millions of times, but it's also a cool place. Also, there is McDonald's. There's also a lot of food options, mostly Chinese food and Asian food, just in case if you would like to have it. Not sure why, but it's quite a lot. And that's the mall look like. Very quiet today though. There was a lot of small bunnies 2 weeks ago, but they are gone. I don't know what's happening with them. maybe the decorations will come back. Okay, going. Oh, there is still one here. This is Półwiejska Street, walking street. Actually, the end of the street or the beginning, depends how you're looking at it. Around 5 o'clock. It's getting to be quieter. Actually, for a while, then gonna be busy later at night. But especially on the weekend, very similar to the Western countries and other countries actually. And then if you go more straight, there will be the old town and the market square actually itself. In the did you see that? She just flew it to me. You see, you never know. And so many, there is the bakery shop, which is the Georgian Polish bakeries here. A lot of Georgian people coming to Poland for some reason. Not sure why, but they have a cool tradition of the bread actually. One day I have to go there. Also at the edge of the Półwiejska Street you have 1-2 coffee shops and then the McDonald's and the Stary Mark. And I need to get the tram number 2 somewhere. I'm gonna use the electric scooter, but I crashed in Bali a few years ago very badly, so maybe not. Better not. Oh, some influencers. Here we go. Oh, this is my tram, but I think I have to go opposite direction. But number 2, like this one. And that's the Stary Mark. Nice shot. Lady driver. She's driving so fast with this thing. Dang. Cool. Here we go. This is it. Either way, this is how does it look like here today. Very short day video. I just wanted to make it something for you. Also wanted to explore how the trams working here. In next upcoming days, you can expect Winnie to coming to Poland actually. So it will be very cool. I don't know where is my tram is going. Either way, spring is coming. It's definitely warmer. There is no more winter. Unfortunately, Winnie will not experience the snow in this year, on this season, next winter. Maybe this year, but next winter. And then going back actually to find the tram number 2, and then going back to Jeżyce. If you go that direction, there will be Old Market Square, but that's on next occasion. Also, if you wanna buy the ticket for the tram, actually, this is the machine. They have 4 languages. Okay, I'm gonna choose English for you. Why doesn't it work? No, it's working actually, and that's the prices of the tickets. Also looking for the full long term, but I don't know, this is the groups, stuff like this one. Either way, I'm taking one for 4 zloty only, which is like $1 or something like that. But I will pay by cash. So here we go. That's the cash, by the way, like this one. This time the tram number 2. Alright, I'm going back home. Not too busy, that's good. Also, I'm standing at the back of the tram, so it's cool actually shot. Normally I'm driving or walking here, but mostly driving the car around, actually all the time. Sometimes walking, and this is how does it look like inside the tram. This is the newer one. There's also kebab what I have to try. Yeah, why we stop actually? I thought going by tram is faster. Actually the tram has to give away to the pedestrians, so that's why sometimes it's taking a little bit time. But it's overall cool experience. Ooh, he's speeding up right now. Here we go. Demon of power. So cool actually. Somehow it's funny actually because I'm not using the public transportation in Poland, but when I'm driving it, like recently, it's actually cool experience. Look at this guy actually. What sort of thing he's driving? One unicycle or whatever, unicycle, but the electric one. Right. And this is like many hotels here and an old town actually. So it's cool. And the last shot of the tram, like this one. Here you go. This is like a little more church, hotel over there. This one. Wow, this is it. Actually super cool. And this is the Freedom Square actually where we stop right now. So cool. Okay, and people enter. And here is the place where was during the Christmas, actually the Christmas market. Now it's gonna be some sort of Easter market for 4 days, some yarmark. They're preparing. It's opening tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna find time because I have quite a lot of work. But if I'm gonna have a time, maybe at night, I will come over and make a short video for you guys. Because it's only for 4 days. Look at this fella on the scooter delivering food. So cool. There's also a lot of museums, historical buildings here in Posnan, as you can see. So it's definitely easy to come and easy to visit, and very enjoyable little town. well, it's not little, it's 5th biggest city in Poland actually, and a little bit of the construction that is gonna be finished very shortly. This is the last stage already of the construction here, and this is it, and the trams are operating. Actually now I'm just thinking that I took the right train to back home, but I think so, yeah. It's actually very easy to navigate on the Google map. Also special app, where is your tram, same like in other Southeast Asian countries. What I used to do, you can do it like this one here, so it's cool, and it's very quiet, so it's very easy, pretty actually enjoyable. It's a different perspective how you can explore the city actually, and it's not really expensive, so it's cool. Also you can buy for $3 or $4 a day trip ticket, so it's also pretty convenient, and I think it's a good deal. Now is Saint Mainted Street. Actually, how fast he's going! Wow, so cool. Actually, normally there's traffic jam on this junction, but only for 2 hours, and after that it's just peaceful. But he is actually speeding and overlooking the nice panorama of the city. Actually, so cool. This is the Adam Mickiewicz University here in Posnan. Also very important and nice thing. Actually cool. Actually, this is different perspective of exploring the city a little bit. Cool. Rondo Caponiero. Tram number 2, and I just left in the market of Iżycki Bazaar. They have a beautiful flowers actually. Here we go. Very cool. So lovely actually, isn't it? Now spring is coming, so there are a lot of tulipans. I don't know what's the name of the tulip. Yeah, tulip. Yeah, the same. Actually, tulipan, and also this thingy. Very cool. All right, this is it. This is my hood recently, actually, for at least next year. But guys, regarding my hood and the apartment and everything, I will show you on different occasion. Today I still have a few things to do. I wanted to show you a little bit. I checked what I had to check. And then, well, let me know what do you think, and I will see you next video as always. Sorry, a little bit lesser videos recently, but like I mentioned previously, I am pretty busy with my company and business and stuff, but I never forgot about you, and I'm still gonna making those videos. When winning gonna come, it will be even more. See you on next one.